Ask Doug, will my trip cancellation insurance plan cover my flight home if my elderly parent has a medical emergency? What if, while doing my global travels, my elderly parent has a medical emergency? Will the trip cancellation plan cover my flight home, Doug? Maja, on most of our trip cancellation insurance, a trip interruption would be covered. If you have a change fee or have to pay for additional airfare, you would be able to file a claim. Change is always in the air. Please check out our trip cancellation insurance options on our webpage at www.gninsurance.com/travel/trip-cancellation for the most up-to-date information on your international insurance. Or call us at 480-813-9100, or we can set up a video call. Or email us at info@gninsurance.com. Your GNI team here in Gilbert, Arizona wishes you safe and awe-inspiring global travels, Maja.